Welcome back, everybody. My name is Joe. This is Work Hard RC, and today we're going to be going over the brand new release that Traxxas just announced. This is the X-Maxx MT chassis. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. So I'm live here in Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm here with NERSA, and I just got out of a seminar with Traxxas, and they announced a new release for a chassis that I wanted to go over and give you guys a first look of. So in the intro, you guys saw already what it is. It is a monster variant. Now, this is going to come in form of a chassis that's going to be $1,099.95. When it comes to the market a little bit later in October. Also, it's going to be coming as a chassis itself, and you can purchase the body separately for $199. Now, that being said, I feel like that's a cool feature because of the fact you can really choose which vehicle you want. Now, they have some really cool bodies like you saw in the beginning. I'll play some more footage here in a little bit. I'll go over more specs when I'm doing that. But as you saw in the video, you saw a Chevy body, which is an OBS style, and it comes in different colors. Now, the colors that one will come in is, it'll be in green, blue, and red, and it's going to say X Monster on the side. So you do have the opportunity to get yourself a Chevy body with Chevy licensing, which is really awesome. And they also have the Ford bodies, which you guys have come to know as far as the Bigfoot, and they're also including just a standard black and red body for the F-150. And I'm not sure if those are going to come in any other colors other than the Bigfoot and the black and red for the Ford variants. But from my understanding, you'll have a solid 3 options from the F-150, the Bigfoot, and then the Chevy OBS bodies. So that's really exciting. If you guys are Chevy fans, you guys want a Chevy body for your monster truck, that's going to be really cool. Now, this is based off of the X-Maxx variants as far as Traxxas, so it does have a lot of similarities from the X-Maxx, and then some parts pulled from the Sand Car. And if you guys noticed in the video, and I'll go over that here in a little bit again, it does have the whoop lights on there in the blue that were on the Bigfoot. So another really cool thing is that the bodies are cut. I don't know if they're cut or they're indented for you so that you're able to put those lights on there. So that's really cool. And again, I'll get my hands on this later in the week, and I'll be able to drive them, give you guys some more feedback on them. But real quick, I'm going to go ahead and play the video, and I'll go over some more specs on it so you guys get your first look at the brand new, just announced Traxxas MT chassis. Should be a lot of fun once we get it in hand and drive it. So again, this is the X-Maxx MT chassis. Let's go ahead and take a look at it and check out some specs. All right, so here we get a look at all of the vehicles together. First, we're going to come across this green X Monster. You can see it's the OBS Chevy body. Now, these are licensed, like I mentioned before. As I spun around there, you're on the top, you can see that clipless mount, which is different from other clipless mounts as far as the rear and how it attaches. It does have a full roll cage on the body, but that rear attaches a little bit differently, and I'll get a closer look at that once I get a chance to take it apart a little bit later in the week. And then those tires you see there are really large tires. They are the largest diameter they offer for the X-Maxx, and they are offered in the softest compound that they make. They are belted, and again, those are bigger than the sledgehammers, so pretty good sized tires there. And you also have the white dish wheels with the center cap. Now, there are 3 bolts to remove that center cap to give a more authentic look, or you can keep it off however you choose. Now, this does come with the extreme heavy duty suspension arms, and this is the first for the X-Maxx to come with those suspension arms. And then another cool feature that I heard is that these do have the outer lower hinge pins that's captured. So if you guys are looking for that feature, that's already included. It does have the ultra heavy duty machine drive cups. These are taken, or the ones that they have in the Sand Car, really thick and really have some strength to the drive line there. It does have a 450 ounce Metal Gear servo, and it's a high torque servo. So with all of this this big truck and the big tires and its ability to swing around and move, you're gonna need that servo, and it does include it. This is rated at 50 miles an hour with the included gearing, and it is an 8S capable vehicle. And there you see the close-up of the whoop lights there, and then that mounting system. I'm really interested to take that apart so I can take a look at it. But I really like the fact that it takes those lights off of the Sand Car. And then here we get a closer look at the F-150, the red and black. See, it does have a wheelie bar back there. Very, very nicely done. And these things are large. There I am carrying it, so I'm not that big of a guy, but that vehicle is pretty big. So really, really awesome. And I'm pretty excited to get my hands on one and drive it. So I'll be doing some testing of these trucks a little bit later in the week. And once I have that footage, I'll do another video to give you an update on what it was like driving these vehicles. From what I hear, they drive like they're a really light truck, so we'll see if that's the case. But again, just wanted to give you guys an update on this release. And I know I mentioned it in the beginning, but what I like about this is that you're going to be able to buy the chassis and then, of course, be able to choose the body that you want for all of about the same price as you would spend otherwise for an X-Maxx. So with all of those cool features, the ability to put the whoop lights on there, and then other capabilities as far as you know, their ability to take parts from the X-Maxx and onto this, that'll be really nice as far as customization. So that'll be released later in October. I'll get an exact date once I get driving it. And then, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. And this is the first look at the Traxxas X-Maxx MT chassis. I hope you guys like this. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Talk to you guys later.